Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Charts. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Google Charts inside Google Sheet is essentially done through charts built into Sheets, since Google Charts or the JavaScript library isn't used directly inside Sheet. But you can create powerful, interactive, and customizable charts using Google Sheets built-in chart tools, or by using the app script to generate actual Google charts. So there are two ways you can do it. First, using the built-in charts. This is the easiest way. Or Okay, so in your Google Sheet, that already includes the charting tools powered by Google Charts, so you don't need the coding. So yeah, you can just go to your Google Sheet right here. So I already opened a sample spreadsheet showing my inventory. For example, this is a inventory sheet, inventory data sheet. So you just need to open your Google Sheet, and you want to highlight the data you want to visualize. So this is actually the data from here, the unit name, to this one. So this is actually the whole data that we want to analyze on Google Chart. So what we're going to do after highlighting it, we need to click insert right here. And after you click insert, there will be a chart option that you can see, and you just need to click on it. And after you click on it, a chart, there will be a chart that will there will be a chart that will there will be a chart that will appear right on the center. So right here, they already the Google Sheet already generated a Google chart, and you can just customize it right here on the chart editor on the right side right here. So you can edit the setup, and you can customize the chart style, the axis title, the series, the legend, the vertical and horizontal axis, etc., right there. So on the setup, you can choose, you can edit the chart type. You can choose the type of chart you want to create. So it's either column, line, area, bar, pie. It's up to you. So for example, we want to change it to a line chart. And as you can see, the data range is right from here. This is the start of the data that we want to analyze, from A4 to uh, E7 right here. So that's why it says right here on the data range A4 to E7, and you can change it whatever you like right here. And for the x-axis, as you can see, it shows you the data range that will be showing on the x-axis. So right here on the x-axis, it says A4 to A7. So that's why from the x-axis right here, it shows you the data highlighted, the name of the data under A4 to A7, and that will be the units tab right here, as you can see. And also the products too, the phone, tablet, desk, and chart, etc., like that. All of the data covered by A4 to A7 would appear on the x-axis. And for the y-axis or series, it is set into D4 to D7. So that's why the data that you can see on the y-axis is the quantity, the D4 to D7. And yeah, you can change it to whatever you want. If you want the price unit to appear rather than the quantity, it's up to you. You can just change it to E4 to E7. And yeah, it's up to you right here. And now you can just switch the rows column, use row 4 as headers, or you can use column A as label. So you can check any of this option, whatever you want, and that would change the Google chart. And after editing the setup, you can also customize the chart itself, customize the chart style, the background of the chart. For example, this one, we can change it to orange or yellow. And for the chart border color, you can change it to black. For the font theme, you can use the font of the text right inside the chart. So for example, let's say we change it to narrow, and that would change the font of the text inside the chart. You can make it smooth. You can maximize all the you can maximize the or you can zoom the chart by clicking maximize right here, and that would zoom the chart. And you can plot the null values, and you can also enable compare mode. And that's it. You can change the data table font, the data label format. You can make it in bold style or italic style. It's up to you. And for the chart and axis title, you can change the chart title. You can input the chart title right here. So let's say inventory. So that would be the title of the chart, the title font size, the title format, and the text color. And for the series, same thing again. You can change the series color and the series line dash type. You can change it from solid to right here, to broken lines. The line thickness, it's up to you. Yeah, etc. etc. For the legends too, you can change the position of the chart, the legend, or the position of the legends right here. You can change it to automatic. This is the best option. The legend font, same thing again. Font size, format, same thing with horizontal axis, same thing with vertical axis. And for the grid lines and ticks, you can change the vertical from the vertical axis. You can change the grid lines and ticks. The major spacing type, the major step, the minor spacing type, minor count, etc. like that. And yes, that's it. So that would be the basic way to use Google Charts on Google Sheet. And the other type is by using Google Apps Script to insert Google Charts, and that would requires coding. So you need to know how to code a chart before doing this. And if you want to add a code, you can just go right here on the extensions and click this one, app script right here. And if you click on it, you'll be redirected right here on the Google App Script, where you need to code your chart right here. And if you want, you can ask ChatGPT to help you a script, a or help you to make a code on a Google chart. And that's it. So you just need to generate a code for your Google chart, and you just need to click save, deploy it, and go back to your Google Sheet, refresh your Google Sheet. And same thing again, a new menu charts will appear right here. A new menu under here will appear, and you just need to click show chart, and your code chart will appear right here. Same thing again on the screen. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.